Hey y'all, and welcome back. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching this video. All right, make sure to give this a thumbs up. We're doing some fried corn today. Very easy. Corn, thyme, onion, bell pepper, garlic. That's simple. So in a skillet, I have just a little bit of oil that I drizzled inside there. Let it came up to temperature over medium high heat, and we're just gonna go ahead and let this do what it do. So here I am, just adding all of my herbs to the skillet. And we're just going to go ahead and move these around just for them to get a little bit translucent, for those natural juices and aromas to flow through. You know, these aromatics, they do a beautiful thing. All right. So we're just going to move that around, let it do what it do, and then the star of the show. All right. Here it is. So they've been moving around, and there is the corn. Now, again, let me just say, you can use your canned corn or you can use the fresh corn. Either way, it's totally up to you. Use what you got, okay? So you just want to elevate the taste just a little bit, fresh or canned. You can do this. You're just helping the corn out a little bit in the flavor category, and this is another way of doing it. So I'm just going to go ahead, move that around just a little bit, and here it is. I'm just adding literally a pinch of salt. You don't need too much. Can is sweet. We don't want to do too much with the flavor profile. Just, nudge it just a tad. Yeah, just a tad. So we've added our salt. And then, of course, we're going to go in with some black pepper. I didn't want to add too much of fresh black pepper because, that sometimes that really and truly can do a little something extra that you may not necessarily want. And then I'm going to go ahead and add about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to go ahead and just move that around, let it cook just a little bit. We don't want to burn it, but we just want it to be, held out a little bit and tasteful. All right, and then that's it. You don't have to add anything else to this. Of course, you want to taste as you go, which you should do, and just even it out in the skillet and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And if you could see, you still have the juices there. You still have the sweetness of the corn, and of course your aromatics and your seasonings for that corn. And when I tell you this is a crowd pleaser, it definitely is. And then you can serve it up however you want it. So there is your skillet fried corn with your onions, bell peppers, salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder, and just a little bit of patience and some love in your cooking. All right, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bon appetit.